In Madhya Pradesh, Dhar district, a major police action took place after the farmers' protest at the Khalghat Toll Plaza. Police have registered a case against 700 unidentified people along with 17 named farmers. According to officials, the farmers blocked the highway without permission, causing heavy traffic jams for several hours. Police say that blocking public roads and violating restricted section of law led to the FIR. The protest created chaos in the area and authorities claim they are trying to maintain peace while reviewing the entire incident carefully. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav left an important review meeting midway and suddenly flew to Delhi. Reports say he is meeting Union Health Minister JP Nadda to invite him for the foundation ceremonies of new medical colleges planned under PPP mode in Panna, Betul, Katni and Dhar. Earlier in the day, the CM reviewed departments like Health Cooperative and Women and Child Development. He expressed anger over dropout cases in the Ladli Lakshmi scheme. He also instructed officials to work with a target of eliminating malnutrition in 3 years. The state government is preparing a 2-year report card of its performance. A shocking incident in Chhatarpur has sparked controversy after a video surfaced showing Naib Tehsildar Ritu Singha is slapping a girl student. She is also accused of catching a farmer by his collar and misbehaving with a woman. Taking the issue seriously, the district collector has issued her a notice asking for an immediate explanation. The notice states that her behavior violates Madhya Pradesh Civil Service Conduct Rules 1965. She must submit a satisfactory reply within the deadline or strict one-sided action will be taken against her. The video has created public anger and many are demanding disciplinary punishment. The political tension in Madhya Pradesh has increased after IAS officer Santosh Verma faced accusation from leaders of both BJP and Congress. Now BJP MLA Umakant Sharma from Siroj has announced that he will approach the High Court against the officer. He said that although the state government is taking action, as per rules he is personally hurt by the matters because a daughter, no matter whose, is always respectful and sacred. This issue is gaining momentum and may soon turn into a major political controversy. Leaders from both parties are closely monitoring the developments. In Bhopal, during the 41st anniversary rally of the gas tragedy, chaos erupted when organizers included a second effigy dressed in an outfit resembling RSS uniform along with an effigy of Warren Anderson. BJP workers strongly objected, claiming it was an attempt to insult the organization. Police acted immediately, seized the effigy and stopped the rally to prevent further tension. The protest group, however, said the second effigy symbolized collaborators of Dow Union Carbide. The incident led to heated arguments, but police ensured the situation returned to normal quickly. Former MLA and District Congress Committee Rural President Ravindra Mahajan has alleged illegal money collection from truck drivers at the old state level checkpost near Ichhapur in Burhanpur district. He met the collector and demanded district action. Mahajan said several truck drivers complained that they were being forced to pay money in the name of entry charges, which is completely illegal. The collector has assured a detailed investigation into the matter. Drivers claim that such illegal collection is causing financial loss and unnecessary delays in transport. The issue is expected to be reviewed at the district level soon. After recent buzz about his cancelled wedding with cricketer Smriti Mandhana, music composer Palash Muchal visited the ashram of Saint Premanand Maharaj in Vrindavan. On November 2nd, he joined meditation and listened to spiritual discourses. Palash was seen wearing a mask with a chanting mala around his neck, sitting with silently during the satsang. Devotees asked questions through Maharaj's disciples, but Palash remained quiet and did not ask anything. His visit is believed to be a spiritual break after a stressful phase. Many fans reacted online, sending him supportive messages. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing a strong cold wave as winter conditions continue to intensify across the state. Many districts including Bhopal, Indore, Dhar and Ujjain recorded a sharp drop in night temperatures. In several places, minimum temperatures slipped close to 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, creating icy winds and early morning fog. The meteorological department says the cold wave is likely to continue for the next 2 to 3 days, especially in western and northern regions. People have been advised to stay indoors during late night and early mornings. School in some areas may adjust timing to protect children from harsh cold conditions. Overall, the state is expected to remain under strong winter impact this week.